Assessment of clay mining impacts on aquatic ecosystems, a critical comprehensive review. Unconsolidated surface materials of the earth are rich in various minerals, with clay being among the most naturally abundant and functionally diverse. Natural clay, a fine-grained soil material, consists predominantly of minerals smaller than 2 micrometer and is primarily composed of hydrous aluminum phyllosilicates, such as kaolinite with the chemical formula Al2Si2O5OH4. Due to its low permeability, clay plays a vital role in groundwater conservation, often acting as a natural seal that supports aquifer systems and serves as an effective geotextile material. However, the increasing demand for clay in various industrial applications has led to intensified mining activities. These practices involve the disruption and excavation of surface layers, causing significant environmental disturbances. Mined clay particles exhibit strong adsorption properties, enabling them to bind with and neutralize pollutants in both terrestrial and aquatic environments. Despite this beneficial characteristic, large-scale clay extraction has resulted in widespread ecological damage, especially to aquatic ecosystems. This review focuses on the environmental implications of excessive clay mining, emphasizing its contribution to the contamination of topsoil, subsoil, surface water, and groundwater. Particular emphasis is placed on the negative impacts on groundwater reserves, aquifer integrity, freshwater habitats both flowing and still, sediment quality, and marine ecosystems. Introduction. Clay minerals are naturally found in soil and are important for storing clean groundwater and supporting plant growth. However, large-scale clay mining harms the environment. When clay is removed from the ground, it disturbs the soil and rocks, leading to erosion and polluted runoff into rivers and lakes. This pollution reduces sunlight and water, harming aquatic life. Clay contains valuable minerals and forms through natural processes involving water and rock weathering. It has been used for thousands of years in ceramics and industries like paper and cement. Still, continuous mining causes land damage, water pollution, and biodiversity loss. Groundwater stored in underground clay layers can be lost when these layers are exposed during mining. This affects water quality and food security. Understanding how clay spreads and impacts the environment is crucial to protect our natural resources, especially clean water and healthy soil. Conclusion. The main economic activity of developing countries is mining. Mining has both negative and positive impacts, in which the pressure-strain between mining and conservation are expected to intensify as the human population grows with technological advance. All mining activities result in habitat destruction during mine construction and exploitation. This systematic review paper illustrates the problems faced by the ecosystem correlated with biodiversity in clay mining. The integration and cooperation of industrial activity with that of environmental sustainability improves controlled mining, especially in ecologically sensitive areas in developing countries. Clay mining ultimately results in different types of health hazards for biological life and humanity. The findings of this review show that clay mining causes serious health impacts on the surrounding inhabitants and leads to ecosystem disintegration. Developing countries consumes well water for their day-to-day needs, and the accumulation of toxic metals results in health impacts. The leaching out of minerals from the mined environment has polluted the groundwater sustainability also. The surface leachates also disrupt the wetland sustainability, and chemicals are bioaccumulated and enter the food chain. Hence, protecting water quality is a very real and urgent need as an environmental challenge at mining and mineral processing sites. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.